Welcome to Extreme Car Audio in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I wanted to showcase to everyone our new counter that we designed for them. This counter spans a total of 15 feet, and we actually built two of them for them for a total of 30 feet. Each section of the cabinet is designed with halo lighting. The logo is extruded outside the actual display that is backlit. Plus, we also did it in 5-foot sections. So as you can see, it has a very great feel for consumers walking in. We also put a filing cabinet in each section as well as a slide-out garbage can. So each area for each staff member is fully designed for them and them only. Custom cabinetry goes along the back with all of our new slat wall spanning 40 feet on the back wall. You also have a new file folder system to be able to distinguish what's coming in, what's done, what's in work, or what might be staying long-term with key holders right beside. Looking to take your store to the next level? Give us a call.